Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia P10 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find passwords and accounts. Then let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and here you have to choose who's going to use this device. So let's just tap on the specific option, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can just tap on it and check everything, and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can also remove it whenever we want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.